Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Be careful of fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, punta kayo sa aking website, mrqueenph.com, o kaya you can book directly sa aking calendar. Nasa link, yung link nasa description or comment section. Okay, let's begin. Taurus, what's the energy ngayong March 2026 for Taurus? Just because you're spiraling doesn't mean you're ascending. Okay, so maaring merong mga experiences kayo ngayong March na hindi nyo ma-organize yung sitwasyon ninyo. Pwedeng things are complicated or maraming kailangang ayusin. This can be overwhelming, no? So, ang maganda rito, time management. At syempre, itrack nyo rin kung ano yung mga bagay na kaya nyong panindigan gawin ngayong March. Hindi yung parang kuha ka lang ng kuha ng kung ano yung gagawin mo, tapos may iwan na kabitin, hindi mo pala natatapos, hindi mo nagagawa. So, sayang yung energy mo. Okay? So, focus on time management. That dream wasn't prophetic, you just ate too much cheese. Okay, so when it comes to your dreams, pwedeng ngayong March, yung mapapansin mo masyado kang maraming napapanaginipan na hindi pong feeling mo parang realistic siya, tapos maraming mga different information or parang merong mga signs na nakikita ka doon about your situation. Pwedeng maging weird lang for you, but pay attention na lang din sa iyong lifestyle ngayong March, kasi pwedeng pagod na pagod ka. Usually kasi pag pagod tayo or maraming ganap, no, yung memories na yun nasa-store sa isip natin, sa subconscious natin, tapos nadadala nyo sa panaginip. Okay. You made it. Congratulations, you've survived yourself so far. Okay. So, ngayong March 2026 can be overwhelming, pero good news, kaya mo siyang i-handle. Okay? You will be able to work things out, no? Whatever na challenges na ma-experience mo ngayong March. Kasi I think some of you magiging busy. Ayan. Kaya, kunin nyo lang kung ano yung kaya nyong i-handle. 'Di ba? Para hindi rin kayo ma-overwhelm, ma-stress, 'di ba? Lahat magawa ninyo. Parenting. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, lalo na kung parents na kayo, maaring marami kayong asikasuhin related sa mga anak ninyo, or may mga issues na kailangan harapin. Or some of you, isang reason kung bakit kayo mapupuyat, pwedeng bago kayong parent, no? Kakapanganak nyo lang, o yung asawa mo, ganon. This is also parenting, hindi lang sa sariling anak, ha. Like for example, you are a manager or you're a leader na meron kang inaalagaan rin ng mga parang mga anak mo, anak-anakan mo sa trabaho. Effort, ayan. So this is you putting in the effort, doing the work, okay? Can be exhausting and challenging, pero syempre i-balance mo lang kung ano lang yung kaya mo. And if you need a break, then take a break. Mahirap rin naman na masyado mong pagurin ang iyong sarili. Okay. Let's see what else. Overall energy, temperance. O, ito nga. Taking a break. This is also meditation. So, maaring ngayong March, you will spend some time para sa sarili mo to breathe in, breathe out, and to put things in moderation na, let's say, overwork ka, so babalance mo naman na magpapahinga ka, ganon, para hindi ka ma-burn out. And temperance is also about patience, May mga bagay na hindi natin kailangang madaliin dahil meron yung proseso na kailangan na pagdaanan. So, just go through the process and enjoy it. So, your challenge is the Nine of Wands. Okay. Nine of Wands and the Devil. Ooh, okay. So, challenge dito is yung temptation. Itong temptation na to can be anything. Anything na alam mong hindi makakabuti sa'yo, pero alam mo yun, nagle-linger na, sige na, subukan mo na, gawin mo na. Ayan. So, this can be related sa food or anything na hindi nakakabuti sa'yo, sa health mo. Yun yung kailangan mong paglabanan. Kasi nandyan ang temptation. Any temptation, pwedeng sugal, pwedeng anything na nagdi-distract sa'yo sa pagiging productive. Kasi hindi naman porket busy tayo, productive tayo, 'di ba? Magkaiba rin naman 'yon. So pwedeng marami kang ginagawa pero wala ka naman natatapos. So kailangan i-track mo rin yung progress mo. Okay? Now, your opportunity is the Four of Swords. So this is an opportunity for you to take a break, take a rest, no? Pagpagod, and then this is also healing. So, in case na maka-experience kayo ng challenging situation sa inyong health, no, health concerns ngayong March, you have the opportunity na i-correct yan, ayusin, 'di ba? Now, your blessing, what is the blessing? Oh, the Magician. So, as a blessing, this is your talent, skills, abilities. May i-upgrade ka sa sarili mo. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, kaya busy kasi at the same time, nagtatrabaho, tapos nag-aaral or nagre-research, nag-upgrade ka ng sarili mong kaalaman. So, maganda to kasi you can use it to improve your life, to improve your career, your living condition, and the Magician is also the manifestation. So, meron kang, maaring may blessing sa mga minamanifest mo ngayon, mangyayari siya, matutupad mo siya. Okay. Let's see your focus. Your focus is stability ngayong March. This is also about celebration. So, maaring yung mga efforts na i-exert mo ngayong March, it's all going to be worth it as long as you are focused and dedicated. Kasi you're about to celebrate something. Yung iba, this is related to your home life, family life, some sort of achievement, meron ding camaraderie, o diba? Camaraderie, parang team building lang naman. Let's see what else. Problems to be resolved. O, ayan sinasabi ko sa inyo na kahit na may challenges, normal naman yan, laging meron tayong problema. Ang importante is nagagawa natin ng solusyon, meron tayong lakas ng loob na harapin yon. Someone is behaving stupidly. So, maaring merong times na pwede kasing ikaw to or the person na you're dealing with or yung mga taong nakakasama mo. So, syempre, you have to be more practical and logical in making your decisions or taking action. And if you feel like merong tao na hindi magandang influence sa inyo, di i-let go mo or iwasan mo, avoid na lang. Marriage. So, yung sa inyo, if you are in a relationship, maaring may pag-uusap about marriage or pwedeng, mga plans, ganyan. This can also mean like a commitment, no? Commitment, like a serious commitment sa relationship or sa business partnership. Younger man, dealings or relationship with a younger man. So, this can be the person that you're dealing with. Mas bata sa inyo. Oo, yung person na ka-deal ninyo. Or, pwedeng ito ay reunion with some friends na matagal mo na hindi nakikita. So, ngayong March, meron kayong meet up. Meeting. Ayan. So, pwede ito rin yung person na ka-deal mo sa business. Okay. Surrender. Let go of limiting beliefs. Be as expansive in your thoughts as your soul is. Uy, maganda yung message na to. Ila-let go mo yung limiting beliefs mo. Kasi minsan nagda-doubt tayo sa sarili natin kakayanan. Ay, hindi ko kaya yan. Ay, ganito. But, yun kasi yung nagiging hindrance, no? Balakid sa atin to grow. So, it's time to let go of your limiting beliefs. Kasi mas marami kang ideas, that yung ideas mo na you'll never know na yun pala yung babago ng buhay mo. 'Di ba? O, spiritual maintenance, be your own caretaker. Yes, this is your responsibility sa sarili mo. Yung maintenance, hindi lang naman yan sa physical, emotional, especially sa spiritual. How do you nourish your soul? Ano ba yung mga kailangan mo? Kaya ang iba sa inyo, may meditation, no? You may be in doing yoga or anything na related sa knowledge ng soul mo or nourishing ng iyong soul. So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.